Hello and greetings to the Stalker channel. Today I have another creation to show to you guys. Please keep in mind there may be heard gunshots in the background. That's because right now it is hunting season in my country and a lot of people go out and hunt wild boars. So I will try to censor all of those gunshots in the post-processing. However, if you hear some, I am sorry about that. A little introduction to why I do the things I do. For example, I am a huge fan of the game DayZ. Guess why? It is set in my country, so naturally, and well, the people there speak my language. So naturally, I have to investigate as much as I can, and I really love the game. On my daily commute to work, I even pass the game studio. However, they portray one thing very wrong, and that is homemade backpacks. You see, most of the people will not be able to make a home shift backpack out of a rope and a sack for potatoes. That does almost wouldn't work at all. Maybe combined with the sticks one, okay. However, what if I told you there is a way, if you got a sewing machine, how to make a backpack in 15 minutes with all the preparation? Now, my creation is extremely lightweight and compact. Actually, it is right here. It is more looking like a sack for your shoes that you would usually find with a little pouch on the middle, but it is heavily inspired by the design of the meshok backpack. That is, there is nothing attached to the front, and all the laces, all the shoulder straps are basically just this one string. Now, how do you create this? Well, you cut off two identical pieces like this out of anything you find, and you just sew it together on both sides and under it. Then, of course, you reverse it so it doesn't look as fucked up on the outside. And then you attach 1.8 meters of paracord. How do you make this into a backpack? Well, you tie this the same way as you would tie a meshok backpack. So, you take the top, you roll it like this as you are holding a duck. You take this, right? So these two fingers hold tight the paracord, and you make a noose like this, and you simply slip it over and tie it. Now, right now, it doesn't look anything fancy, but I'm going to show you how it looks when it's full. Now, I don't mind being in the bright colors right now because, as I said, it's hunting season and I don't want to get shot in the ass. However, now you can see where the heavy inspiration from the meshok backpack comes from. Now, as I said, if you got a sewing machine, this takes 15 minutes with all the cutting and all the sewing. If you don't have a sewing machine at home, or you're making this on the go, which I think it's very possible, I, for example, carry my little sewing kit with one needle, two different threads, a lighter, and stuff like that. I think you can make this in 2 hours maximum. Okay, if you cannot make this by hand in 2 hours, you need to practice. Now, when it comes to if this is somewhat or anyhow comfortable, well, it is even less comfortable than the Soviet meshok bag, which is nothing comfortable to start with. Okay, believe me, it sucks wearing that one. But if you don't got anything, this isn't as bad. Now, even if you have a backpack, for example, me, I made this as my loot bag, which is I carry this in a pouch attached to my main bag. Because if I'm on the go and I find something that I really want to take home, but I don't fit it in my main backpack, well, I just roll this one out, pull it all in, and attach this one somehow to the main backpack. Okay, it's very easy. Or this can be a decent stash because I made it from a material that could blend in pretty much in, well, natural environment. So That's a stash idea. I hope I didn't make this video as long. I try to keep it very short because, well, it's just a video about a makeshift backpack, okay? Watching this video would probably, in the same time you watch this video to the end right now, you would have it made on the sewing machine. So get out there and craft one, okay? I wanna be proud of you. Do it. There will be maybe I will try to cancel all that